It's Jess here from Kicks 105.5. We're here with Tommy from Bayou Rum, who's going to be at the Taste of Country Music Festival, supplying us with delicious drinks. Tommy, what do we have going on today?
The Sazerac was invented in New Orleans. Sazerac is a fantastic cocktail using herb scent and also using rye whiskey. So being that our Bayou Select is aged in Buffalo Trace bourbon barrels, I've been messing around with some classic cocktails with it.
Okay.
And I was inspired by their Sazerac to make our own.
Okay.
So rather than using herbicide as the rinse that a classic Sazerac does, I'm going to use our Satsuma. The Satsuma is the Mandarin orange of the South. It is super sweet and it adds a lot of flavor as a cocktail modifier.
There's my juice bar.
So we're going to rinse the glass with it.
Ooh.
Now we are going to do a half ounce of simple. And now to marry this off, rather than using a normal Angostura bitters, which is used in the Sazerac, we're going to use a spicy mole bitters.
Mole.
Mole. And of course, 2 ounces of our beautiful Bayou Select. So now the oak that you get off of the Bayou Select, mixed with the orange flavor and a little bit of that chocolate mole, they marry together really well. Here's our lovely Bayou Sazerac.
Bayou Sazerac. All right.
Let me buy you a Bayou.
Kind of tastes cinnamony.
Yep.
You get that, and then you get the orange too.